I will show you the correct way to oil your sewing machine. We must fully oil the two parts that I am going to show you next. It should be done every 2 or 3 days depending on how much we use it. 1 or 2 drops on these two parts so the machine works well and is lubricated. Now we are going to take out the internal parts of the hook. We are going to remove the bobbin case. Once it's bobbin, we are going to move the latches to the side. And we remove the shuttle retainer. Finally, we will remove the shuttle hook as it is called in your different countries. The first part we must lubricate is this area, which is where the shuttle rotates. Inside here is where the shuttle shaft goes, which by turning the hand wheel, we see always make this type of movement. We place it at the bottom and with an oiler, we will lubricate with a drop of oil. And turn the hand wheel, rotate it several times, and once again we will lubricate with another drop of oil. And then we turn it again. I will also show you how to put the parts back on. We place the hook retainer. We close the openers. And then finally we put in the bobbin case with its bobbin.
And that is the bottom part done. Let's go to the top part and lower the cover that protects the needle bar and the pressure foot bar.
I turn at the hand wheel and see that the bar always makes the same movement down and up in that part. We are also going to lubricate with a little drop of oil. Once again, we turn the hand wheel so the oil can do its job. And then we go to the bottom part also likewise. So the oil moves along the bar, another drop of oil. And we turn the hand wheel by hand again. It is very important that these two parts are always well lubricated so they can perform their function, their job. We go to the pressure bar and also lubricate it with a little drop. We unoil over and raise the pressure foot again. After that, we proceed to put on the cover that protects the needle bar. And that is how our machine is ready to sew.